Hello everybody, I'm Megan and you are watching Fabulous TV Pattaya. So today I'm bringing you here to check out a great attraction here in Pattaya. It's a fantastic place to bring the kids and all the family for a day out. It is the Pattaya Sheep Farm. Now it's been already open here in Pattaya for a couple of years, but it's been growing and growing every year. And you know, the thing I love about this place is the entrance fee is only 60 baht. There's lots to see, lots to do. There's sheep racing, you can feed the birds, there's lots of animals to see. There's even a floating market which has just opened. So come on, let's head inside and check it out. Come on. Oh, look at that. Here you can feed all the animals, you can buy the milk. Oh, don't fight, don't fight. Oh! You know, the thing that I love about this place is the animals, they're very well taken care of. And they have really nice surroundings. Ooh. Yeah, do you want some then? Yeah. Oh, it's nearly finished. You want some? Yeah. Come on. Oh, go on. Oh, look at that! Don't fight. Right, that's it. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. So here we are in a massive bird cage, and there are all different kinds of birds here. Very, very beautiful birds. There's parrots, there's ostriches, there's chickens, everything. They even have chickens laying eggs in here and eggs hatching, so it is a really nice place. And you can even feed the birds, and the birds will all come to you and even stand on your head, so I'm going to give that a go.